Hello developers. In this video, we will learn about slice and splice method in JavaScript. So firstly comes to the slice method. So slice method is used to create a new array by copying a portion of another array. And slice method returns a new array containing the extracted elements. Original array will not be changed. And slice method takes two parameters. One is start position and other is end position. And is not included in that. So we will understand it with some basic example. Okay. So example of slice method. Slice method example. We will firstly define an array of colors. Define array of colors. Let colors equals to. So here we are defining elements in an array. Blue, say green, yellow, purple. Okay. So now we are using slice to get a portion of the array. Use slice to get a portion of array. Okay. And we will store that portion in some variable. Like sliced array colors equals to colors dot slice 1,4. Okay. So this slice method we have just discussed, it will take two parameters. One is start position and other one is end position. So start position is 1 and end position is 4. But it will take 1, 2 and 3 because end position is not included. So only 1, 2 and 3 index. So red is at 0 index, blue is at 1, green at 2, yellow at 3, purple at 4. So here purple will not be included. It will include blue, green and yellow because blue is at 1 index. So 1, 2 and 3 index will be considered. Now we are doing console on slice colors. Okay. So what will be the output? Blue, green and yellow. Okay. Also we have discussed original array will not be changed. So now we are printing original array. Original array is colors. So it will print as it is because original array will not be changed. So let's print it in the terminal. So we are getting output as blue, green, yellow and another one is original array. So firstly we define an array of colors. Okay. And by calling colors.splice 1,4 we create a new array that includes items from index 1 to 3 and index 4 is not included. The slice method does not change the original array, so colors array remains the same and sliced colors variable contains blue, green and yellow. Okay. So use case of slice method is that imagine you want to display only a few items from a list to a user, like showing the top 3 colors chosen by users. So slice method is useful here because it will give you a part of the array without changing the original array. Okay, now we will come to the splice method in JavaScript. So splice method is used to add, remove or replace elements in an array. Splice method returns a new array containing the removed elements and it modifies the original array. But in case of slice, it does not modify the original array. Splice will modify the original array. Okay. So firstly, I will tell you the syntax of splice method. Before jumping to the example of splice method, I will explain you the syntax first. Array.splice. So the parameters are, first one is start parameter, first parameter is start, second one is delete count, next is items, item 1, item 2 and so on. Okay, so this delete count, it means the number of elements to remove from the array. Okay, and this items, these are elements to add to the array starting from the start index. If we do not mention item 1 and item 2, then no elements are added. Okay, so this is the syntax for splice method. So now we will discuss with it some basic example. So firstly we will define an array. Let colors is also red, blue, green, yellow, purple. These are the elements of the array. So we will use splice to remove, let's say to remove two elements starting from index 1 and will add a new color. Okay, suppose we want to do this task. We need to remove two elements starting from index 1. So index 1 is blue. We need to remove these two elements, blue and green. And here we need to add a new color. Okay, so we will write the method as let remove colors. We will remove the colors and will add in removed color variables. So colors is the original array, colors dot splice. So we have just seen like in the syntax of splice. So starting from index 1. Okay, so we will write 1 comma, we need to remove two elements. Okay, so delete count will be 2 and what we need to add, a new color. Let's say we are going to add orange. Okay, so now we will print the original array. So in case of splice method, it modifies the original array. Let's see what will be the original array. It will be it will remove blue and green. It will start from 0 1. So one is blue and second one is, and from the first point, from the first index, it will delete two elements. So first index is blue. From here it will delete two elements, blue and green. So we are removing it and here it will add orange. Okay, so this will be the original array, modified array. Original array will get modified. Okay, now we are printing removed colors variable. So what should it print? Which colors are removed? Blue and green. Okay, so let's check it in the terminal. So in the terminal output is red, orange, yellow, purple, because blue and green are removed, and the removed colors are blue and green. So by calling colors.splice method, we removed two elements starting from index 1, and these colors are blue and green, and we have added orange color in their place. And splice method has modified the original array. So colors array is now updated, and removed color variable is storing the removed items that are blue and green. So the use case is, imagine we are managing a task list where we need to replace a task in the middle with a higher priority task. So splice method will be perfect there to modify the array directly. So this is the concept of slice and splice method. So slice method creates a copy of a portion of an array without changing the original array, and splice method modifies the original array by adding, removing or replacing the elements.